it's a fresh day, and I have started to start something new. It's my hometown. It's the way to the main road, and I'm going to restart this Zumba exercise session at Boogie Boogie Dance Academy. It's around 5:30 in the evening. The weather is so great, as you can see. It's also good, and cheers to it. I was doing it past for the last 2 years, and from then on I was just working. So now it's my sabbatical time, and I'm doing and redoing all the things that I love to do, and one of them is using dance as a form of exercise and helping kids enjoy, have fun, have exercise, sweat. So let's go for it. Well, now that is my city. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic in here. So I'll get an e-rickshaw from here and get to the place. It's quite crazy in here to record as well. There's a lot of things there, Domino's, there are a lot of food places also here. So it's new for me, recalling all the things that I did in the before time. So I'm in here. I already have my list of things that I'm going to do with kids, the Zumba things. And I'm really excited, and I know it's not a thing in here in Deoghar, Jharkhand, Zumba, because it's mostly a thing of big cities, posh people, elite people, but why not bring it to people coming from humble background? And you can see there's the police departments, the EC office, SP office, couple of things in here, hotels, traffic noises, bank. This is the SBI Bank, SBI ATM. There we have a cafe where all we get is profile photos. If you have to get photos for passport or anything, so we come in here. And here's the code, the local code of Deoghar Hotel. Yeah, it goes in here. I'm still learning the geographical location of my own city. Oh, this is a lot of traffic noise, but it is what it is. This is the Now, Power of Now by H-Cart Toll. Yeah, let's go. So I am almost in here. So this, as you can see, this used to be the rent house that me and my family used to live in, this staircase upwards. And the studio is in here. As you can see, the Boogie Boogie Dance Studio. It is run by, run by one of our Muslim brothers from this city, Deoghar, who has started this studio for the kids, for the women, for the ladies, for everybody. And I really like this endeavor. So let's go in and start. I'm really loving to record each and every step. Now we have a lift in here. We will go to the third floor. Now it will open, and I'm glad there's nobody in here. So we are in. Yeah. There are a lot of little kids in here, and that's Johnny Bhaiya, and he is doing his classes in here, and we are all little kids there doing this small things. So we will begin our classes soon. Face and everything. It's a clear breeze in here. Kids can be me, but it's always a lot of fun, and I had a good day, and I'm proud of myself for getting out of bed, leaving procrastination, all the bad therapy and blah blah blah, and actually being here. So